Today we will be having a look at this GLA45 that we've just retrofitted a DR900S. Here we see the front camera tucked up the top of the windscreen. If I run around to the back of the car, now the tint is quite dark on this vehicle, so we can barely see that camera, but if I just pop the boot here, so we're tucked up right at the top of the windscreen, still mindful to stay in behind the windscreen wiper zone. A lot of the guys that do these cameras don't think about this sort of stuff. Unfortunately, you get stagnant water in front of the camera lens and the thing's pretty much useless. So one good little tip to make sure you stay in behind those wiper blades. From the driver's perspective, it's up nice and neat, out of the way. Once again, not right to the top of the window because of the wipers. Here we see our fuse box connections. They look just like the original ones because we use genuine Mercedes parts. Front camera and rear camera. My name's Jared Shelley from Autofidelity. Thanks for watching.